unboxing new Hot Wheel cars. I got 4 of them to start. Okay, I got this and I'll open this. Give me a sec. Okay, I opened it. It's right here. Let me do this. I always do this so I can get it out. There it is. Looks nice. Okay, what's next? I'm gonna go unboxing Stingray. Let's go. Here we got the Stingray. Looks nice. Let's go on the next with the Mazda. Here we got the Mazda over here. It's a nice concept. And let's get into the Ford. And here we have the Ford with the black top. Just like here. The number 8. It looks very nice. And that's it for this video. Bye.